Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Accord headlight bulb. First, gather your tools: a new headlight bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some clean gloves. Make sure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Always refer to your Honda Accord's owner's manual for the exact bulb type and any model-specific instructions. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe replacement process. Now, open your car's hood and locate the back of the headlight assembly. You'll see the wiring harness connected to the bulb. Carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing its tab and pulling it straight off. Next, remove any rubber dust covers or metal retaining clips that hold the bulb in place. These steps provide clear access to the old bulb. With access clear, gently twist or pull out the old headlight bulb. Be careful not to touch the glass part of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb into the housing, ensuring it's seated firmly and correctly. Reattach any retaining clips or dust covers, then reconnect the electrical connector until it clicks into place. Finally, it's time to test your work. Turn on your Honda Accord's headlights to confirm the new bulb illuminates properly. Check both the low beam and high beam settings to ensure everything is functioning as expected. Once confirmed, close your car's hood securely. Remember to dispose of the old bulb responsibly according to local regulations. You've successfully changed your headlight bulb.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.